Hello people, so today we're going to learn how to solve for a missing side on a right triangle where we know one of the angles besides the 90 degrees. So the first thing I need to do is I need to label all of my sides based on opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse using this angle as reference. Since that is the angle I know, I'm going to label it theta. Just a warning, 90 degrees will never be the angle you're going to name theta through this process. It just so happens that the triangle will always be a 90 degree angle. If you have another angle like 37 degrees, that will be theta. It will never be 90 degrees. All right, in a right triangle, we always have the 90 degrees. The side that is across from the 90 degrees, we call it the hypotenuse. All right? That will always be the hypotenuse. No matter where theta is, we always just look at the 90, see the side as across, that is hypotenuse. Since the 37 degrees is right here, the side across from the 37 is called the opposite side. And the side that is next to the 37, that is not the longest side, we call it the adjacent side. Now that my triangle is complete, I'm going to use SOHCAHTOA to help me solve for x. Now I'm trying to solve for x, which is the opposite side, and I know the adjacent side. So through SOHCAHTOA, I'm going to look at what combines opposite and adjacent. So does not do that, opposite and hypotenuse. Ka does not combine the two. Toa does, opposite and adjacent, so I'm going to be using tangent. All right, tangent of theta equals opposite over adjacent. Okay, theta in this case would be the 37 degrees. So tangent of 37 degrees equals opposite is x and adjacent is 5. This is where I need my calculator. I'm going to take out my calculator. I'm plugging in tangent of 37 degrees and I get 0.7535. So since this is a 5 and the number next to it's a 3, I'm going to round up the 3 and make it 0.754. 3. This is 0.754 equals x over 5. This side is a fraction. I'm going to put this over 1, and then I'm going to cross multiply. And x times 1 is x equals, and then 0.754 times 5 is 3.770. My final answer, I wanted the second decimal place, so it is, by rounding, 3.77. Right. So this is a process, an example of how do you solve for a missing side, knowing just an angle from the right triangle and a side.